Hey, good morning. It is the statewide opener for Cottontail rabbits here in California. We're allowed 5. I'm hunting solo today. Let's go stomp the greasewood, the mustard grass, and all that good brambly junk and see if we can kick up a couple cottontails. Let's go.
I would argue that the best tasting wild game on planet Earth is a cottontail rabbit. Now, I'm not a subject matter expert, but I have consumed some 80 plus different species of wild game, and to be honest, the cottontail is still my favorite. Based on these 3 criteria, which are my liking: the flavor, savory; the texture, tender; and the odor, extremely mild. If those don't fall in line with what you believe, well, then this might not be the animal for you. Here in California, we are allowed 5 a day, 10 in possession, so come along with me as I film/shoot 5 rabbits, and then we're going to drag them back to the kitchen and have a little breakfast.
Okay, y'all, that's a wrap. It never takes very long. It actually takes longer to get a rabbit to sit still on film for the film than it is to just go kill 5 rabbit. I'm on the naughty list again with YouTube, so I'm not allowed to show any skinning. Everybody tells me I should just call it quits and start a new channel because it'll reset everything, but I don't wanna. I'm gonna clean these. If you wanna see this, you can look at the app, the Whitebone Creations app on iOS and Android. I will show that piece. Otherwise, next little bit will be in the kitchen.
All right, fast forward. Welcome to my kitchen. I dropped those rabbits down into a salty brine for the drive home. Then I rinsed them all good. I removed the meat from the backstrap and that inner loin. I put the back hams in an individual bag, vac sealed them, marked them, and put them in the fridge. Now today, I'm just gonna take that little tiny inside loin and make myself a breakfast sandwich. Now I've seasoned these with orange pepper from H-E-B. I put them in a pan and I brown them up. You need to hit 160 for rabbits. Then I put a piece of sourdough down in the toaster, get it good and crispy. And then I take a spread of just a daub of sour cream and pesto sauce. I coat the bread, I add on some sun-dried tomatoes, and I fry 2 eggs. Then I just add my rabbits, half cut, squish it, make sure the camera's out of focus, and then you take a bite. It's absolutely delicious. Come on, y'all. Let's close in prayer. Lord, thank you for rabbits. Thank you for skills, resources, places to hunt, and an audience to share fantastic experiences with. And it's in your name we pray. Amen.